Bravo, you made it to day 7, your first full week of French in 90 days. You've learned how to say hello, introduce yourself, thank someone, be polite, and even talk about where are you from. Today's episode is all about reviewing everything through one fun, natural conversation. No stress, no grammar, just you speaking like a real French person. Let's fire up those reflexes. Say it with me, loud and proud. Bonjour. Salut. Comment ça va? Je m'appelle. Enchanté. Merci. De rien. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Non, merci. Tu viens d'où? Je viens de France. Trop bien. Excellent. That's your survival pack for meeting anyone in France. Bonjour, je m'appelle Marie. Salut Marie, moi c'est Ali, enchanté. Enchanté, tu viens d'où? Je viens du Liban. Et toi? Moi, je viens de France. Ah, c'est cool. Oui, un café s'il te plaît. Oui, bien sûr. Let's break it down one last time. Moi, c'est Ali, the friendly way to introduce yourself. Tu viens d'où? Casual, where are you from? Je viens du Liban. I'm from Lebanon. C'est cool, that's cool. Un café s'il te plaît, asking politely for coffee with tu. That's the sound of real everyday French. Let's play a quick say it before I do game. How do you say hello? Bonjour. My name is. Je m'appelle. Where are you from? Formal. D'où venez-vous? I'm from Iran. Je viens d'Iran. Yes, please. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Thank you. Merci. You're welcome. De rien. Boom! You just completed your first real French conversation set. Repeat, repeat, repeat. That's how your brain locks it in. Let's recap your first encounters week. You can now greet people politely. Introduce yourself. Ask where someone's from. Respond naturally. Be polite like a Parisian. Say it all once more. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Emma. Je viens d'Italie. Enchanté. Merci. Bravo. You've built a rock-solid foundation. Next week, we move to one of the best parts of French life, café and everyday politeness. Get ready to order like a real local, starting tomorrow with un café s'il vous plaît. À demain!